morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are doing well and waiting for today's literature class. In today's literature class, we will going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 6 on page number 45. That is The Boy with an Answer. As the name of the chapter is indicating that this is the story of some boy who used to answer very well. How? Just have a look. It is the story of a boy, Vedam, who was very young. And if I talk about the life of Vedam, so Vedam was a boy who was the only child of his parents. So that is why he was quite pampered. Her mother used to take care of him a lot, and for the same reason, she was not allowing him to go to school. The reason is that maybe the other children were going to harm him. The only child of their parents are quite pampered. So, and the parents are quite conscious about them. So that is the main reason why he was not used to go to the school. So what he used to do every time, he just used to play with his friends in the park and in the grounds and all that. But what is so interesting about this boy that he was very intelligent and he was very quick sense of the answer. Used to answer anything in a very quick manner and a very good manner. How? One day what happened when he was playing with his friends? When he was playing with his friends in the ground, he saw an old man was coming from the roadside and he sat near the pond to take some rest. You can see this is an old man. He sat near the pond to take some rest. After watching this old man, all of the boys who was playing with the boy gathered around the old man, except Vadam. He was standing apart. This made an old man to grab the attention of this boy. He asked the boy to come forward and he asked the name of the boy as in a very usual manner. But the way Vedam replied made an old man very excited about this boy. Vedam answered in a manner, well, if you really want to know my name is Vedam, but let me know, knowing my name will going to help you in which manner. The way he answered, it was liked by the old man, and he recognized at that time, that he was very intelligent. And the intelligence of that boy made the man to ask that, I would like to teach you something. Would you ready to learn? Would you like to learn? At that time, Vedam replied that hopefully you will going to teach me some magical powers. So at that time, the old man replied, no, I will not going to teach you something magical, but something interesting. Would you agree? So Boyd get agreed and he asked, okay, let me kindly tell me what will you going to teach me. So he has recited some of the lines of poems and he asked the boy to recite those lines 1,000 times by reaching to the mountain peaks. When you will going to recite those lines for several times at the mountain peak, you will going to get something very interesting. And after giving this instruction, the old man went away. The boy started playing again. He came back to home at night. He was not able to sleep and continuously the old man's thoughts and the instructions were coming to his mind. He just came out of his house and started moving towards the mountain peak. It was the midnight. The child of his age used to afraid, but he was not. He was quite brave one. And he reached the mountain peak. At that place, it was dark everywhere. Obviously, it was the midnight. And he started reciting those lines which had been instructed by the old man. Suddenly, a splash of light hit to the boy's eyes, and a creature appeared in front of him. It was the creature of an old woman. You can see on page number 49. This was the creature that appeared in front of him, having long white hair and a mole on the nose. If there would be any other boy, he would get afraid by watching that creature of an old woman. But can you imagine what sort of the expression given by Vedam? He started laughing by looking at that old woman. That made an old woman quite astonished and angry as well, that why he is continuously laughing at me. She asked the reason of laughing, and what the boy answered? Boy answered that I can see the mole and noticing the mole on your nose, and I'm just assuming the movement of it while your nose blows. This answer made the old woman to smile, and she said that you are quite a different boy, and instead of being afraid you are making fun of me. This made me quite exciting. Well, what she did then, she said that I brought you something, as you are quite intelligent one and you have recited something very interesting, so I have brought something interesting for you. What is that? I brought two bowls for you, and you need to select the one of the bowl containing milk and the other bowl containing the curd. If you select milk, it means you will going to get wealth in your life. And if you will select curd, it means you will going to get wisdom in your life. So just select one thing, what you want in your life, wealth or wisdom. At that time, the boy just started thinking, and he said, let me taste. First I will taste, then I will select. Whilst the old woman offered to taste, what he did, he tricked the old woman and he consumed both of the bowls, and some of them fall down on the ground. This made the old woman quite angry. She was shouting and she held the hair of the little boy, Vedam. What you did? I told you to just taste it instead of consuming completely. At that time, the boy answered very nicely. Actually, I want to trick you because I want both. Why? Because one is useless without other. I cannot make use of the wealth without wisdom, and wisdom is useless without wealth. So the way the boy answered to the old woman made her happy again, and she disappeared after saying the thing that you are quite intelligent. One day you will going to be very successful person in your life. Just to get wealth while you have a lot of wisdom. You are being blessed with the natural wisdom. That is all about the story of the boy who answered. Actually, what is quite interesting, although he was quite little, but the way he used to answer made everybody to grab his attention. Alright, now let's coming towards the work which you will do. You will have to do the word meanings and the question answers. Open page number 53, take the pencils into your hands and mark the questions which you will do. We have been uploaded all the working on the homework folder, you can see from there. Okay, in exercise A, you will do question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, question number 1. Why did Veda not go to school? As I told you, he was quite pampered one as he was the only child and the mother was afraid of being hurt by any other child. Question 2. Why did the old man come to the village and sat by the pond? there was some reason for taking rest while he was walking on the road. Question 3. Why do you think the old man chose Vedam to teach a magic trick to? I told you that so many boys were gathered there, but some response had been given by Vedam that grabbed the attention of the old man. Question 4. It is quite interesting for you students. Had you been given a choice between milk and curd, which one would you choose and why? Okay, over here you have been given the choice to select either one bowl, the milk or the curd, depending upon their instruction. Either if you want to select wealth, so you will select milk. If you want to select wisdom, you will select the curd. So just select one thing along with the reason why you want to have this. Alright. Now, exercise B, reference to the context. You will do first reference along with question A, B and C, and then reference 2 along with question A and B. Cross question number C. Question 1, first reference. Would you like to learn what I have to teach? Question. Who says these words and to whom? Somebody called the Vedam and asked him, I would like to teach you something. Are you ready to learn? B. Why is he offered to teach, mate? Why he only selected Vedam to teach? Now see, what response does the speaker get? What answer given by Vedam to the old man? Now 2. I told you to taste them, not consume the lot. Who says these words? And to whom? The boy had consumed both of the bowls that made the old woman angry. Why is this spoken? That is all related with this working. I hope you understand it well. If still you have any query, you can ask on the WhatsApp line. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.